Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about lattice point. We know that a solid consists of large number of atoms or molecules, and these atoms or molecules are arranged in a very close manner. Here I have shown three-dimensional arrangement of atoms in crystalline solid. In crystalline solid, we know very well there is a regular and periodic arrangement of atoms or molecules. Now I will replace this three-dimensional crystalline solid by two-dimensional crystalline solid for simplicity. Now this is two-dimensional arrangement of atoms in crystalline solid. Now it is convenient to replace these atoms by imaginary points in a space. Now here this is the set of imaginary point in a space. Here we get a frame in space which is made up of imaginary points. Now if we replace these imaginary points again by atoms, then we get a real crystal. So we can say that these imaginary points indicates the location of the atoms or molecules in a space. Such a imaginary point is called as a lattice point. So the lattice point may be defined as the imaginary points which shows the location of the atoms or molecules in space is called as a lattice point. Now this lattice point may be occupied by atom or group of atoms or molecules. For example, suppose if we consider this crystal is made up of a silicon atoms, then here each lattice point is occupied only by silicon atoms. Again, if we consider this crystal is made up of hydrogen atoms, then here each and every lattice point is occupied by two hydrogen atoms. Now again if we consider this crystal is made up of sodium chloride atoms, then again here we can say that each lattice point is occupied by a two ions of sodium and chloride chlorine. So from this we can say that each lattice point may be occupied by one atom to several number of atoms or group of atoms or molecules. Thank you.